With this.
Okay, so I will just going through it, just quick through, yeah. So the audit trail is the objectives is to audit the data. So whether you so that you can identify whether there is some fraud in the data, some missing link in the data, missing data, and then you can also combine two data to find the transaction in between two data masters. So the objectives of the audit trail is that the audit trail is recording record of the user's activities within the information system. There you can see whether what is the transaction there in the data. So you can link the user ID or you can link the customer ID towards the transaction, towards the transaction, the history, the detail of demographics data about a customer ID. So basically this is if that you have one data that is containing your demographics data, and then the other data is containing your transaction data. You want to combine the two data so you can identify the demographic data and the transaction data. So let's say we have Wiryawan demographic data in one table, and you have Wiryawan transaction data in another table. So the audit trail, we can combine the two tables into one. So we can identify whether what is the transaction of Wiryawan in the demographic table combined to the Wiryawan data in the transaction table. So in doing it, so we are using SAS. So I think you can see the detail on the videos from Professor Singh. I will cut the time and going into how to do that, how to do the SAS things in conducting the audit trail. So, all right. So we have there the data is there. Yeah. So there is customer data and there is transaction data. In the customer ID, we have 101 Smith, 104 Jones, 102 blank. And the transaction data table, we have their ID 102 purchase, 103 return, and 105 return. Even the amount of volume of transaction is here. If you combine the two data, yeah, if you combine the two data in SAS, you can there is some option there using the proc SQL that is using inner join. Inner join is the data is in what we call that. The data is using both of the left side and the right side. It is the inner join data. Left side data is the one in A. Full join data is all data, and right join data is data on the right. So this, okay. So this is okay. This is okay. All right. So if you see the what Pak Singh already developed in his
Pak Jerry, sorry Pak Jerry.
Yeah.
Yang in the Google Classroom, is it the code only?
Yes, code only.
Only. I thought it along with the data, Pak.
The data is the same. The data
Oh,
already
the
there.
Orion ya Pak.
The same data.
The data, the same data ya
The
Pak.
same data. Okay. So let me open the Audit Trail here. So I use two windows, yeah. So I do not change every time. So So you have the PowerPoint there with you already, yeah?
Jerry, the SAS code, you put it, it's in the Google Classroom?
Yes, Google Classroom on the session 5.
Session 5. Oh.
Have you opened it?
I'm opening.
Please open it first. Okay, already open?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Iqbal, have you opened it? Sarah? Yuriawan?
Yes Pak.
Okay,
Yes, Pak.
the same page the same page like this, yeah?
Okay Pak.
Yeah, Pak. It's in the Google Classroom in the
Rahmat and Ashwin,
yes.
watch from there first. Okay.
You are able to open, but the lib name will not the same, so I need to change the lib name. Or?
No worries. You can open a new lib. You can. This is just use following what Professor Singh did, yeah. So let's open the page. So he start from page 25. Yeah, a Cartesian products. So a query that lists multiple tables in the from clause without a where clause. So okay, let me share you like this then. So do you okay? Okay, no worries. So lib name, as usual, is to develop a new library name, lib name Orion. So we exercise the data and then create the Orion lib name here. Okay, Sarah, succeed?
Wait, Pak. Wait, Pak.
Succeeded?
Yes, I can open
Okay, the Orion open.
the Orion. Open, wait. Orion. Orion, yeah, in the library, sih, Pak. Orion, yeah, in the library.
Yeah, on the lib name here,
Oh.
Orion. Or you can develop your own, Sarah or whatever. Okay, so lib name Orion, where this is the position of the data, yeah. So let's see here, where is the Orion? This is Orion. Orion is on my Orion is local C books learning, and then you block it. Yeah, okay, this is the Orion, block it, copy, yeah, Control C, copy, and then put it here. This is to make a new lib name called Orion. Check the log column, and you see the lib name Orion successfully assigned as follows. So the Orion developed, yeah. So okay, open back, and then in this Professor Singh order is to see the data from customer data. So you need to make a customer data, yeah. The customer data is on the Orion data it is on the customer is one, customer data. So if you open the data, it will be looking like this. Okay, so not like this. The first data was on the employee information. Employee information. Oh no, the customer data is about the customer customer name. Okay, customer data is on the customer is this one. So the data looking like this. Yeah, the customer data. You have the customer data there. Yet?
Yes.
Like this? The structure
Customer
like this?
data. Yeah.
Okay. So close it. Yeah, close it, and then we need to import the data as usual. Create new data, new data, empty shell, and then the data import from text, check the customer data. Where's the customer data? Customer data, this one. Yeah, customer data, import the text file, and then it is a delimited data. You need to separate the data from one row into several that you splitting one row into several column. So you click next here, and then it's there using the tab or the comma. Yeah, tab or comma, we separate the data already. Yeah, so from previous structure changing into column. Next, finish, and then put the data here. Okay, blah. So we have the data separated, and then file. You can save the file, save as the file. Wait a second. Is it hang? Okay. File.
I am there.
Come again. Save as the data into CSV file, CSV, comma, delimited, and then put it customer 2. Yeah, customer 2. Okay, yes, and then close the data, save. Yes. So the data is there now, customer 2. Let's open it. So we have the data there separated. Until this stage, everybody have the same page with me?
Yes,
No,
Pak.
Pak.
Not yet, Pak.
Not yet?
Boss.
Iqbal already?
Yes, Boss.
Okay.
Can you send this file?
Huh?
Pak.
Okay, I will
How
send
did you
you the
get there,
data.
Pak?
I will send you the. So basically, that is only importing the data. Okay, share screen with me. No, I cannot share screen now. Okay, I will send you the data then. To make it quick, yeah. Save. Yes. So basically, all right. So have you succeed on that yet? Not yet. Wiryawan?
I'm very
Not yet, Pak.
lost, Pak.
Okay.
And how
Okay,
can you
open it again.
open which one, Pak?
Excel.
Excel.
Yes.
Okay, Excel, the customer one. Customer.
And then click data.
Cus-
Iqbal there.
Yes, Pak.
Customer and then
From text.
click data ya, Pak.
Yeah, click data and then import the data from text.
Data.
Okay.
Open the file.
If you got that, okay, go to the data. Orion data. Click the customer data. Okay, until
Customer
here,
data.
Wiryawan, have you got it?
You need to import.
I have the customer data, but it's still like not in tables.
Not in the
Get
tables.
external,
Yes, of course.
get external data, then
Text from text.
from
From text.
Oh, from itu
text.
supaya rubah, where do you go, Pak?
Okay, you open it, import like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Like this. Like this yet?
Yeah. Yeah.
Next. Click tab
Text
or
import.
comma.
With comma. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Ready, Pak.
Next. Sarah, have you got here?
No, text importnya.
And then you can next and finish, Wiryawan. And then put it here and then okay. So the data is there. Okay. Let me try it again for...
Terus where you want to put the data, existing worksheet or new worksheet? Pak?
So you can separate the data.
New worksheet, yeah.
Okay. Sarah, have you
Text
okay, data
import.
from text.
And then, yeah, and delimited ya, Pak?
Yes.
And then next.
Next.
Yeah. Oh.
And then the delimiter will be comma or tab or whatever.
Comma.
Okay,
Use comma.
Use comma.
Comma. Tabnya nggak usah.
If it is already separated, no, you can put it as well. But if it is not yet, do it with comma.
Oh, okay. A comma and tab ya, Pak?
Yes.
Okay, and then next, right?
Okay. Have you see the data separated like this? Slice like this?
Yeah, wait. Existing worksheet, new worksheet ya, Pak?
I mean have your data sliced like this yet?
Wait. Yeah,
Okay, next.
finish and next.
And then put the
No,
cursor
no.
here.
New worksheet, yeah.
Yes. No. Existing
the new
worksheet.
Oh, yeah.
Because you open the empty sheet, isn't it? Empty file, isn't it?
No, I opened from the customer file itu.
Okay, new worksheet.
And export
New worksheet
data.
then. New worksheet. No worries about that. Okay?
Yeah.
Done?
And then done, it's already separated.
Okay, and then file, save as,
Well, save as.
put it there on the Orion data. Customer 1,
Nah,
2, or 3, whatever.
Save asnya Orion
CSV
data.
file, CSV file, comma, delimited.
Yeah, and I save it in the Orion file.
Customer 1, 2, 3, whatever.
Orion file.
Wiryawan, have you got there?
Pak, already, Pak.
Okay, good. Okay.
Want to start, need to change the lib name first, ya, Pak, to my location.
If you put it Orion, will be fine.
I haven't created any Orion. So
Yeah.
You can put your name, Wiryawan.
di foldernya bebas, Pak.
No, in the lib name.
Okay. So need to create the lib name, right, Pak?
Yes, the lib name. Lib name Wiryawan at the... Okay, so you got the data there already, yeah, Sarah? What is the name for the data? Customer 1 or 2?
Customer 1, but I don't have any lib name. I just put it in SAS data, but it's not on the active libraries
Okay,
in
you can see it in the
SAS
work. You can
file.
see it in the work then. Later on. Okay, so you have the codes like this, yeah, already?
Yes.
You have the codes like this already? So we have there the proc import. So we want to import the data from the from the Orion folder with the name of customer1.csv, and then now I want to do it in the work on the work lib name. So the import out equal to work dot customers. So the file will be changed into customers, and the origin name is customer one, the one that we have the Excel sheets convert to the CSV with the data slices. Yeah. So database management system is CSV, and then you click replace dot comma colon here. Get names, yes. Data row that is going to be read will be starting from row number 2 and then run. Okay, let's do it. So okay, so the data is there already, so I want to clean it first. Yes, I want to clean it first. Clean all the data. Okay, clean all the data here. I clean it first so we are in the same page. Yeah. Delete. Okay, and then I go up again. So this is the work lib name is empty shell. So we import the data from the customer one file. Okay, let's run it. Run. All right, the data set was successfully created. That's it.
Import unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful?
Yeah.
Okay, is it customer one or customer two that you use?
Customer one.
Okay, so the location of the Orion folder, is it right?
No, I
Change
didn't
it.
put it in the Orion.
Change it to your folder. Okay, so we have the customer data here. Let's check it. All right, so the customer data is there. So the data is converted to SAS data type already. All right. Okay, Wiryawan, if you got to this level?
Not yet.
Okay, the folder name. So where did you put the file? And then you click here, copy the file, copy the path, copy Control C, and then come to the data file and then paste it. So this is double count on C then. All right. Yeah. So block the file, block the codes, and run it. Sarah, can you do that already?
Not yet.
Wiryawan,
Still error, Pak.
what is the error message?
The SAS system stop processing this step because of error.
Okay, what is the error set?
Procedure import use total process time real time.
Okay, share your screen with me. I stop sharing. Okay, Wiryawan, share your screen.
This one, Pak.
Error.
This is the error.
Okay. What about the lib name there? The lib name success? You got the lib name there?
Already, but let me try again, ya, Pak. This one I run. So like this.
Okay, click the employee, the left one. Click the employee and then click. Click the employee. Just click the employee first. Just one click. Okay, and then click the up. Click the yellow folder up there. Yes. So the Orion name is there. Okay, so it is working, yeah. The Orion is working. Okay. And
I don't have like that.
so you click that and then click the upper level, yeah. And then proc import equal to work dot customers data file is blah 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 blah. Where is the customer one data?
This one ya Pak, customer.
Oh, okay, it's so long nih. Okay, customer1.csv kah?
Ya.
And then CSV file, and then okay, CSV replace. So please open the folder and copy paste again.
This one the folder.
Okay, you name it customer1 or customer.
Customer one Pak.
Okay, copy.
This one.
Yeah. No. Oh yeah, copy the path. Yes, copy. Control C again, and then go there. Slice. Okay.
Like that, ya, Pak.
Customer1. You have using. Is it using the big cap? Yes. Change the. Okay, copy. Click there. Click copy. No. Click the file. Just one click. Yeah, copy. Okay. Paste. Okay. Block the data again and then run. Until run. Yeah, okay. Okay, submit the data. Okay, what is it telling you? Error, import unsuccessful. Okay, proc, financial analytics. Error. Oh, file in use. Okay, you have to close the Excel.
Okay.
You see the error said the file in use. Save. Yeah, because you open the file, you need to close it. Okay,
This one
save.
correct ya Pak?
Save.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, yes. Okay, run it again. Successful. Yes, 77 observation. Open the work lib name. Down there, work. Yes. Enter, open it. Ah, the data is not yet sliced. Okay. So have you open the Excel again, the file name. Open it. Okay, it is sliced already. Okay. Okay, close it. Okay. Okay. So customer1 work, customer CSV replace get name CS at a row. But it is not yet sliced. What about you, Sarah? Can you open it?
Library Orion does not exist.
Well, come again?
Error Library Orion does not exist.
Not use Orion, using work.
Iya,
Not
tapi enggak.
Orion, use work.
Ya ini it's
Change the Orion
error.
to work. We
Change
use
the Orion.
we use the library work.
Wait. How do you go there, Pak? Orion to library name, not Orion. How do you change the library name?
No need to change. Just when you okay. Wiryawan, you open the okay. So you open the Excel again, Wiryawan. Open the Excel. So you have the same problem with last week, yeah?
Yeah,
Click.
Pak, cannot combine.
Open the customer. Okay, new file.
This one.
No, new file. New file. Okay. Yes. And then import the data from customer from text. Okay. Customer. Import. Okay, next. Comma. Next. Finish. Okay. Save as file. Customer 2. Dot CSV file, comma delimited. Okay. Save. Yes. Close it. Save. Yes. Close it. Save. 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 Yes. Okay. And then now change customer 2. Okay. Block again and run it. Okay. Run it. You haven't do it. Okay, click the lock. Click the lock. Okay, close the click the lock. Yes, this one. Okay. The bottom one. No. Is it running? The lock?
Yeah, it's running, Pak. Yeah, it's running.
Okay,
This
77.
one.
Okay, open the file.
This one.
Yes. Not changing, kah?
Iya, Pak.
Okay. Iqbal, can you share your folder into the SAS file? Can you share the CSV file?
CSV file?
Yeah, to the Google Classroom.
I just use the normal CSV file, Pak.
Okay. So what?
And it has changed by the system itself, Pak.
Okay, no worry. Okay. What about why did Wirjawan fail ya on converting that? Okay, so I think we need to I mean Iqbal, send the CSV file that is already
To the
Di chat aja, Pak. Apa, Bang?
ya to itu ya Pak, yang command delimited ya Pak.
Yeah.
Ya wait, we'll share it.
Okay. Wait a second. Sarah, share your screen.
Okay. Ini Pak.
Okay, what is the data file customer one, is it with the space or not?
What?
Customer one, is it with a space or underscore? And
Space like that.
you create it with space on your file?
I had it here, yang tadi itu the filenya. This one.
Okay.
Wait.
Try run it again.
Yeah, the file, the customer one file was like this already. Right.
I cannot see your file. Share screen.
It is sharing screen, but
Okay. Is it sharing now? So you are sharing the SAS only, or you sharing the whole screen?
I'm sharing the full screen.
No, not yet.
No. Wait, but. Pak. Saya stop dulu, Pak. Kan yang ini, Pak. Can you see the screen?
Yep.
And then I saved it in customer file, sih, Pak. I mean customer one.
Okay, coba run it. Okay, click on the Explorer. It's running there. Yeah, SAS Explorer. Open the work. Click customers. Double click. Okay, the same problem. So open the Excel file. Is it
The Excel file already,
slice
the
it?
one that it's already sliced, sih, Pak. This one.
Okay. So only Iqbal has
Ini.
succeed the.
It's already. Kayak gini, Pak. Already sliced.
I cannot see it. I only see the SAS
Huh?
now. So you not sharing the whole screen. You only share the SAS.
Oh.
Stop
Wait.
sharing. Reshare again.
Stop sharing it. Yeah. Screen. Okay, Pak. Here. Do you see it, Pak?
Yep.
Ini udah dipecah.
This is customer one. Excel.
Yeah.
Sudah dipecah ya.
Udah. And I put it here. Ini customer one.
.csv. Okay. And not working. Okay. Still the same with Wiryawan ya. Okay, so I have to share you the file then. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, stop sharing, Sarah.
Yeah.
Okay, so right, no worries. Share screen, share, and then here. Okay. All right. Already there. Okay. Is it because the date change kah? Oh, no. What is? Okay. See books, learning, Orion, customer one, and transaction one. Open it.
Saya udah coba yang mau di share Iqbal, Pak. Sama aja, Pak.
Sama aja. So
Iya.
problem.
Tetap jadi
Okay.
separate.
try my file.
I didn't.
The
I didn't change the file, Pak.
but in Iqbal it works, yeah.
Yeah, because I did not change it, Pak. I just used it the DBMS CSV replace, and it works, Pak.
Okay, I just send the file again, Wiryawan. You try it.
Ya Pak,
Oke.
saya ganti tanggal dulu Pak.
Okay.
Back to normal.
Okay, so no worries. Okay, so let's consider it there, yeah. The customer data is here, and then the next is the transaction data. Yeah, using the transaction. Use my data, Wirawan. Transaction, the customer one and transaction one, and then run it again. Okay, we have the transaction here. Okay, we have the transaction here. Iqbal, you got there? The transaction data?
Just download it, Pak.
No, using the okay, fine. Just use my data. Sarah, have you download the data? Oh, saat maghrib.
No, but I'm trying to open the data.
Okay. So go to the transaction one and then put the data into the work lib name. Yeah. So this is the work lib name, library name. Put the data here, the customer's data and the transactions data. So you change, so you put the path file and then import the data and then put it into the work lib name transactions. Tell me when you got it. Yuriawan? Success?
Not yet Pak. Not
Iqbal?
Not yet, Pak.
How come I cannot download the share screen Pak? Boleh Pak? I cannot download the file.
Iqbal, can you download it?
Yes, Pak, I can.
Salah di mana ya?
Just
Let me share
just download it.
into chat, Pak.
Yes, coming, Yuriawan?
Boleh saya share screen Pak? Kasih guys.
Nah, ini yang transaction dirubah lagi kayak tadi biar pecah-pecah.
The data is already sliced then?
Belum
the data
saya
I
yang
gave
transaction.
You? The data I gave you? Not yet?
No, not yet. The data that you gave me, it's not sliced yet.
Really? Suppose it...
CV-nya the CSV, comma delimited kan, Pak?
Transaction
File.
one. Yes.
And it's CSV, comma delimited,
Yes,
right?
comma delimited. So the data
But it's
sliced
not.
already then, here.
But in my screen,
Try it again. So import the data and then put it into the comma delimited. Maybe this is the Excel version, yeah. I don't know. Is there any Excel version problem? Because I'm using the Excel 2010 here on the VMware.
I import data from text, yeah, Pak.
Yes.
But before, yeah.
Text, yes. Wait a second, Wiryawan. Okay, Wiryawan, share screen.
This one Pak, once I click, this one mentioned like this.
Cannot preview file, maybe offline. Couldn't preview file. You just download. Click the file and then download.
Cannot download also. This one I can click and open on the new link.
Okay, download.
Yeah, this one already, but this one is the
other
code
one?
before. But this one only showing like this when I click.
Google Sheet.
Click more application.
No. Click Google Sheet. Yeah. And then you download the data into CSV file. Okay, no worries. So you can. Okay. Why Iqbal can download that you cannot?
The Excel that you gave is already, I already imported it and it's already split.
Oh, okay, good. And then you can please put it in the SAS code and then run it.
Like before, yeah.
Yes.
Ya, just stop sharing. Pak boleh bantu share itu lagi nggak Pak?
Oke, share screen.
Udah clear.
Yang tadi di share baru transaction, yang satunya belum, yang customer.
Customer comment delimited.
Itu kan yang file dari kamu, yang file dari Pak Jerry.
Oh, yang customer satu ya?
Ya.
Oke.
What about you, Sarah? Success?
Wait. What's that one? Okay. Wait.
Wirawan, succeed?
Error, Pak.
Share screen, Sarah.
Okay. Okay. The transaction one.
CSV apostrophe.
CSV?
Apostrophe.
Here?
No. After CSV, after transaction one, there will be quote there. Double quote.
Quote here, yeah.
Yeah. And then what is that? Transaction what is it?
Oh, ini Pak.
Clear it.
Ini. Kayak gini, like this.
Second. Transaction one CSV. Why is it double counting?
I don't know.
You delete it.
Because it's this one.
Ah,
This filenya saya save-nya like this one.
why? Change it.
I
Change it to
don't know.
transaction one.
Just change the name.
Just click.
Okay.
Just click and rename.
Okay.
Just delete the left one or delete the right one.
Like that. No.
No. Until CSV also delete.
Oh, yes,
Yeah, enter. Okay. Run it. Okay, check the SAS.
Copy path.
Okay. Rock import. Change the customer to transaction one. To transactions. Work dot transaction.
This one ya, Pak? Oh, wait. Ini dah. Right.
Okay. Change the path then. You haven't changed the path yet.
Path.
Data file path.
Path.
Data file path.
Data file path. Oh, oke. Lain aja diganti ya, Pak?
Ya, boleh. Transactions. Oke. Oke, run it. The SAS import unsuccessful. Check the log for details. You can go up.
Here?
No. Scrolling up. See the error. No. On the log. Yeah. Okay. Examine log 600 invoke transaction from C. Import unsuccessful. Going up again. Going up again.
Invalid data.
Okay, open the file, the Explorer. Check on the work. The work. Open transactions. Yeah, the data is there.
Oh.
Okay.
What happened, Pak?
No, just the data file. Some of the data file is not split out. Yeah, some is split out, some is not. So you see there customer ID, customer employee, and street name. So that hasn't split out. Maybe there is corrupt in the file Excel. You need to do it again on the Excel.
Oh, on the Excel, do it again.
Yeah, later on. Yeah. Okay. So the data is
Yeah,
split out like this. Wiryawan, have you finished?
Yeah, Pak, I think the issue is
So it is sliced now on your side?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I stop sharing.
Okay.
The customer and the transaction.
Yeah, okay. So everybody is good in the good shape, yeah? Okay. Okay.
So confusing, Pak.
Yeah. So there is the is it are we in the same page here? Okay. Okay, so we have the transaction file here and the customer file here. So Wiryawan, have you got the customer and transaction? Yeah.
Already.
Okay. Sarah also, yeah. Okay. So now we are going to conduct proc SQL. Select all data from customer. Yeah. So try to run the data. So this is reading the this is the way to read all data. Run the data, and then we see like this: the customer ID, the country, the gender. This is how to open the data. Proc SQL, select bintang, select the star to check to see all the variable there. So this is how to do that. Already done, everybody? Iqbal?
Error, Pak. Error.
Is it Iqbal?
Yes, Pak.
Select bintang from customers with S. Are you using S or without S?
I'm using S, but instead that file work.customers.data does not exist.
So are you putting the data on the work or on the Orion?
The data is on our Orion.
Put in work.
Put in work, Pak.
Change the Orion to work.
Okay, Pak.
Yeah, because we are using work today.
Okay.
So when we using work, we do not need to put Orion anymore. But if we use Orion, you click Orion.customer. So that is the way to do it. Sarah, have you done this? Wiryawan?
I haven't, but because the customer, for my part, the customer, it's not right yet. It was error
So
for the customer.
you have my data, yeah?
Oh, for the customer, yeah.
Use the customer one from my data, and then the transaction one. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wiryawan, you got it?
Already, Pak.
Can?
Already can.
Good. And then next is transaction. Proc SQL read the data from transaction.
Okay.
Success?
Yeah, can.
Can?
Can.
Good. Sarah?
Wait.
And then next, continue. Like this. Proc SQL, select all. We have two data table, customers
Yeah, Pak.
and transaction. Sarah, finish?
For the transaction, ya Pak.
For the customer?
For the customer, wait.
Share screen, Sarah.
Yeah. Let's wait. This was.
Wiryawan, if you success, continue with the next coding. Ya.
Well, Pak, yang di situ yang combine, Pak. Combine customer.
Yes, combining with customer.
transaction.
Sarah, this is Sarah ya?
Yeah, but
Sharing screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So SQL. So from the customer is there already? Open it. Run it again. No.
Run it
From
again?
SQL. Yes. Run the
Right
code.
here.
Yes. Submit. Where is the submit?
Where's the submit? Oh, there.
Oh yes, one.
Okay. Udah kan Pak? Like this?
Quit procedure SQL to total time real time CPU. Double click the left one, the SQL, the result. Click the left one.
Here?
No, left.
Here?
Left. Bottom one.
This one?
The plus one.
The last one, this one.
Yes, double click. Yes, click the query result. Open the query on the right one, the right bottom.
On the right bottom.
Yes.
Mm,
The result viewer. The data. Is this using my data?
This I couldn't. How to put your data in the
Orion.
yeah.
Have you download my data?
Yeah, this one, right? The customer ya Pak.
Customers 1 and transaction 1.
Transaction one I already did. The customer one not yet.
Okay, find the customer 1.
Okay.
Wiryawan, you can continue to the next. Iqbal, you can continue.
Iya, Pak.
Oh, okay. Wiryawan, okay then. Okay. File.
But this one mentioned the execution of this query involves performing one or more Cartesian product join cannot be optimized.
No worries. And then next, but the data is there, yeah? You can open it.
Yeah.
So next, continue. Iqbal, have you run it all?
Yes, Pak. It has the same notification with Pak Wiryawan.
But the table is there?
Yeah, that's simple to open it, Pak.
Yeah, okay. Open it. And then after it, if you can open it to the next coding. Until all coding open.
This one, Pak.
Is this the same?
This one is using your data.
Honto nih. Oke.
Yang udah data Bapak yang ini.
Open it. Oke, save as. SAS data. Customer 1 sambung.
Sambung. Oh.
Okay. Okay, change. Okay, try it. Close it. Close it.
Yeah, I did.
Close. Close. Okay. Import the data first. Prop import. Going
Yeah.
up.
This one kan, Pak?
Yes. Customer 1 is no space.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Open the data. Customers. Oh my
Oh.
God. What is happening? Okay, no worries. So we have to. I will try another way then. Okay, customer is not there. Why is it? CSV.
Tadi from Pak Wiryawan, he had my problem as well. How did
How did
he
you solve
resolve
it,
it?
Wirawan?
File dari Bapak. File dari Bapak ini share di Zoom on my cloud, then I can use it correctly.
Okay.
Same like last week, Pak.
Yeah. So the same.
Yes, the issue is the conversion between from the Excel to the CSV file. Okay. Means the one in the Excel show correctly, but when it's converting to this one, the SAS, they didn't read it properly.
Okay.
Aneh sih, Pak, ya.
Okay. Okay.
This the one that I convert to the CSV file open in the Excel format.
Okay.
Already separated, Pak. It's good, Pak.
Okay.
But once running to the SAS is not good.
Okay. Open.
But when
Okay. So Sarah cannot open this, yeah. Customer 1.
But the transaction is already.
Okay. Let's see.
The transaction ya, Pak?
Yeah, but still the customer ID and employee ID and
It's
is not sliced, yeah.
it's not sliced, yeah.
Oh, okay. Wiryawan, can you share your screen?
okay, Pak.
Okay, Sarah, I come back to you later.
Okay, Pak.
Okay.
Apa I have to change the date ya, Pak?
No, you can try. Okay, Wiryawan.
Yeah, Pak. Still running. That's why keep on.
Okay.
Muter-muter.
All right. So stop sharing. I will share my screen. Stop sharing here.
Already, Pak.
Already?
Is it?
Not yet. Still there.
Not yet, Kowir.
I think because mine is.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Wow. Close. Okay. Okay. So, close. So, we have there the proc SQL, and then the next is when we have two tables, customers and transactions. Yeah, we would Professor Singh want us to select all the data from the customers data and transactions data where the customer ID equal to transaction customer ID. So we have here the customer data where there is customer ID here, and there is transaction data where there is customer ID here. Professor Singh want us to select all the data from the customer table and transaction table where the customer ID equal to the customer ID equal to transaction customer ID. So he would like to to know all the variables. So let's run it. All right. So the customer ID is the same, and all the variable is there, combining from the table customer and table transaction. So we have country, gender, and then this is the order ID. This is coming from the transaction data, and the gender is coming from the customer data. So this is the demographic data: gender, name, last name, birth date, customer address, and the transaction ID, the transaction table is here. So but they are using the customer ID unique code, which is finding the relationship ID from the customer and the transaction. So far so good. Have you run it, Iqbal, Wiryawan? Sarah maybe still need to. Okay, good. Sukses ya.
Sukses, Pak.
Okay, good. Wiryawan, sukses.
Enak, Pak.
Sarah, sukses.
Oke, Pak.
My data kan
Iya,
error.
iya. Wiryawan, sukses.
Sebagian, Pak, belum
Masih
selesai.
running?
Ya, yang tadi. Ini error, ini saya restart.
Okay. Next is this is from the customer ID. Yeah. Pak Professor Singh want us to select the customer ID and then customer name, product ID, quantity, total retail price. So he want specific variable to be shown in the result. He want to see only customer ID, customer name which is on the customer table, product ID in the transaction table, quantity in the transaction table, total retail price in the transaction table from customer transactions, customers and transaction table, yeah, where customer ID equal to transaction dot customer ID. So he want the customer ID the same, but he want to know the specific variable only: customer ID, customer name, product ID, quantity, and total retail price. So let's run it. There. So we have there customer ID, customer name, product ID, quantity, and total retail price for each of the customer ID. Iqbal, running?
Yes, Pak. Yes, Pak.
Wiryawan?
Partially, Pak.
Mine is still combined, Pak.
How? Come, Sarah?
Mine is still combined, the customer ID-nya, but it's not separated.
Oh, but they are combining?
Oh, here.
But is it combined?
The customer ID, employee ID, and street ID is combined.
Oh, still combined.
Still combined.
Yeah. So I will explain it to you later. So we can change from the CSV to TXT. So but later then.
Yeah.
Okay. And then Iqbal running. Wiryawan running.
Yes, Pak. Running, Pak.
Iqbal, Wiryawan, sorry, Wiryawan.
Belum sampai situ.
Okay, so you can okay, let's continue first. And then now Professor Singh want us to label the customer, yeah, where the customers he want, because the name customer is so long, he want to label it as C, customers as C, and transaction, because it is so long, he wants to label it as T. So he want to us to select from C table. He want us to show customer ID, customer name, product ID, quantity, total retail price from the customers as C and transaction as T. So where customer as C, then we change the customer into C dot customer ID equal to T as transaction dot customer ID. So the customer ID the same. This is using C as representing the customer table and T representing the transaction table because customer is changing into C and T and transaction as T. So let's run it.
Error.
Yo, okay, so we have there customer ID, customer name, product ID, quantity, and total retail price. Yeah. So the Sarah still error, of course, because your data is still
The error.
Okay. Wiryawan, sukses.
Ketinggalan Pak, masih yang atas Pak.
Tapi udah running ya.
Running, tapi takes time every.
Okay.
Nearly 1 minute.
Okay, so what about Iqbal? Sukses?
Still running, Pak. Takes time.
Okay. So is it how much is the RAM?
Mine is 4 gig, I bet, Pak.
Okay. Wiryawan?
I think 8.
Okay.
I
Same
don't
with
know,
me.
it's so slow.
I'm using 4 into Windows and 4 into VMware. So basically the SAS is running under 4 there. Okay, so just continue again. So you can run it well when it is running, you can click the other code and run it. So they will queuing, you know. So when it one code running and then still running and then you run the other code, it will be queuing. No need to wait until it finished for you to do the other coding. So it will be queuing, waiting for executed. All right?
Cannot Pak, still the cursor keep on muter-muter.
Okay.
Because it is not responding, Pak. We have to
Yeah,
wait.
something like that. Yeah.
Okay, no worries.
Um,
Okay, so next is Prof. Singh want us to conduct left join, yeah, left joining. So okay, let's see. Okay. All right, no worries. Okay, so left join. There is another. I want to open the. CQ. Okay, the classwork. Okay, the PPT. The 5 audit trail. Okay. Iqbal, running? Success? Wiryawan?
Finally, Pak.
Okay,
Finally,
good.
Pak.
Long time. Okay. So next will be on the left join, right join. Okay, wait a second. Yeah, this one is yeah, this one is when you conduct changing the customer SC just now, transaction ST, C.ID, yeah, we already execute that. And then next is using the left join, right join, and full join. Yeah. So how to do that? So the syntax will be proc SQL, select all data from customer C, left join transaction ST on C ID equal to transaction ID. So, so basically left join is, let's say, let me put it here, notepad. So we have data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the left one, and then the right one we have 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. If it is left join, what number will go out? If it is left join,
4, 5.
left join, the number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left join. So if the data here is, let's say 3 is Andi, yeah, 3 is Andi, 4 is Romi, 5 is Yuli, 7 is Doni, and 8 is Mona. The data will be 1, no name, 2, no name, 3, Andi, 4, Romi, 5, Yuli. This is what we call left join. Kapish?
Pronto, Pak.
Okay. So select C customer ID, the customer name, product ID, quantity, total retail price. From customer SC, C itu customernya itu left join transaction ST, because you see here, and then customer table dot customer ID equal to transaction table customer ID. So basically the customer ID the same. Yes, the same. Yeah. If it is the same, then left join will be 3, 4, 5. 2 is not there. Yeah, because it is the criteria is customer ID is equal to customer ID. Customer ID in the customer table equal to customer ID in transaction table. So let's try it. So there will be no missing data. So only the same ID can show up. All right. There you are. So we have the customer ID, customer name, product ID, quantity, and total retail price. Yeah. So this is left join. Yeah. Yeah. So if there is no criteria saying like customer ID from customer table is equal to customer ID in transaction table, then the data will be like this: 1, 2, 0, 3, Andi, 4, Romi, and 5, Yuli. But if it is the criteria is select the data from this one, left join this one, where or on customer ID equal to customer ID, then the data will only coming 3, 4, and 5. Araso? Kapish?
Yes, Pak. Pronto.
Okay. Iqbal, Wiryawan, success?
Yes, Pak.
Good. Sarah, sorry. So we need to rearrange again. Okay. So next is left join is there already. We have done the left join, and then the right join. Right join is most likely the same, but we use the number on the ID on the transaction on the transaction data. Yeah. So will be, if it is right join, then it will be right join will be 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. This is the data. Yeah. If the data one is okay, this is no, this is okay, no, okay. So 3 is okay, 4 is, oh sorry, 3 is okay, 4 is no, 5 is okay, 7 is empty, 8 is empty. This is right join. Yeah. So let's try it. Right join. Right. There you are. The customer ID, customer name, product ID, quantity, and total retail price. Right join. So we are based on the transaction table customer ID. Success, Iqbal, Wiryawan?
Yes, Pak. Yes, Pak.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay. And then there is full join. Full join meaning full join will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is full join. All the data will be there. Okay, let's do it. Full join. Select customer ID, customer name, product ID, quantity, total retail price from customer as C, full join transaction as T, where customer ID T equal to customer ID. Oh, if they are equal. If they are equal, then the full join will be 3, 4, 5. Because only 3, 4, 5 that the customer ID is equal to customer ID in transaction. Customer ID in customer table is equal transaction ID in transaction. So that is the full join. But if there is no criteria on that, the result will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 5, 7, 9, 10. Yeah. So let's run it. There you are. Okay. 4, 5, etc. Yeah. Success, Iqbal, Wiryawan?
Success, Pak. Success, Pak.
Okay, good. So next is we have there the employee address. Yeah. So we have their employee address and employee payroll. Okay. So please see the Excel, and then there is employee address. So you need to make another Excel. Sarah, create another Excel from the employee address because the data is still okay. Let me share you the screen then. Let me share you the file then. Maybe you will have.
Tadi from Iqbal's file, I tried it again. Udah bisa sih Pak separated yang customer
Okay,
tadi.
good. Sekarang kalau gitu, oke. Sebentar. So the other file is for the employee address. Employee address. So employee address and employee address and employee payroll. So we have payroll 1 and address 1. So Iqbal can try, or Wiryawan can try import the employee address and employee payroll. Create another, import the text, and then slice the data again. Meanwhile, I'll send Sarah the data ready. Payroll 1, address 1. Okay. Save. Okay, I already sent the data to Sarah for the if the conversion fail, yeah. So we have there Pak Singh want us to import the employee address data to the data work Orion data, yeah, Orion data. So import to Orion data. So let's do it. Proc import the employee address 1. Yeah. Basically, we need to conduct the Excel again, yeah. So we need to conduct the Excel and then import the employee address data from text and then C books learning Orion employee address. Okay, this one import. So the data is not sliced yet. Next, conduct with a comma or the tab. Next, finish. Okay, so the data is here. Okay, then okay, and then they have there the you name it employee address 1. Okay. Oh, okay, I name it employee address 2 then. Save as books learning Orion. Oops, sorry. CSV comma delimited employee underscore address 2 employee addresses 2. Okay, yes, and then the other one is employee payroll. Okay, from text employee payroll import. So the data is not yet sliced. Next, comma, next, finish. Okay, so it is now sliced and then save as comma delimited employee payroll 2. Yeah, you can do 1 or 2. Yes. Okay, and then import the data from data file, import to, let's do it in Orion now. Pak Singh want us to do it in Orion. Let's see. Pak Singh want us to do it in Orion. This one. Okay, so he want us to develop the Orion data. Okay, so let's import the file into Orion. So this is the Orion. Let me delete first, delete all the data. So delete Orion data, delete employee payroll data, delete the product data. Okay, let's do this. Okay, the employee address data is there. That's it. Alright, the employee address is there. Iqbal, success. Wiryawan, Sarah?
Yes, Pak.
Success,
Success.
good. Wiryawan, success. Sarah? Sarah, success. Okay. And then the employee payroll data. Okay, payroll. Let's see. Wiryawan, Sarah, Iqbal, success.
Okay.
Good. Okay. So this one, Pak Singh want us to create a table where with the name of birth month. Yeah. The file name is birth month. As dia mau select employee name with the and replace the employee name with the label name with the format of 25 digits and dot here, and then city 25 digits, month from the birth date data as birth months on the label, format with the 3 digits, from the Orion employee payroll as P, so he labeled the payroll with P, and employee address as A, where the employee payroll dot employee ID is equal employee address table dot employee ID. So the employee ID is the same, and the employee term date is missing. Okay, the employee term date is missing. Order by birth month and city and name. So birth month first. So if it is Jan first, yeah, and then Feb, and then March. So let's do that. So create table, the Orion. So we need to have the birth month file here. As select the variable or employee name as name, city, month as birth months, and then from the employee payroll table as P, employee address as A, where the payroll employee ID equal to address employee ID. The employee term date is missing, and order by birth month, city, and name. Okay, let's do it.
As I hang, Pak, it went on a hang and froze.
Just wait.
Pak.
Just wait. It will finish somehow. Okay, so birth month here. So the table is here. Okay, good. The name, quantity, city and birth month. Yeah. Success, Iqbal, Wiryawan?
Well, but this one error 180 to 322 statement is not valid.
Okay. So have you got
not
the
used.
employee payroll there? Data?
Ready.
Employee payroll or employee payroll 1 you put?
I'm still in the employee address, Pak. Error.
Employee address? Okay. Can you share screen? Iqbal, you've success?
Not yet, Pak.
Still running.
Still running. Yes.
Share screen. Wiryawan.
Yeah, Pak. This one, Pak. Mention
On employee address.
I run this one. Or is it the same? The above one still no need to change, right? The Orion dot employee address. This one still the same. No need to change. Just change the file location only, right?
Employee payroll. The data is employee. The data is employee address 1 and payroll 1 kah?
And so yeah, address 1,
Payroll
CSV.
2 or payroll 1?
Yang ini saya bikin payroll. Ini saya belum running sih Pak.
Oh
Saya baru
yeah, of
copy
course
aja.
you will not come because you need to have two data first. Because it is joining the two data. If you don't have two table on the Orion, then it will not work.
Ready. Okay. I try to run.
Okay. Stop sharing.
Just finish. Okay Pak.
Okay, no wonder. Okay. So, share screen again. Iqbal, running well ya?
Not responding, Pak. I'm waiting, Pak.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So basically, okay. Next is proc SQL. So you can run it queuing ya. Professor Singh want us to conduct the other one is he want us to create a discount table, creating a discount table where it consists of product ID with the format data is num with the digit 12 and then start date, end date, yeah, and then discount num format in percent. So how to do that? Create table discount. So we need to create a discount table that consists of product ID, start date, end date, with the data type is date, data type is date, data type is numeric, and data type is numeric. Okay, the format file is percentage. So let's run it. Oh, where is the lock? Lock. Okay. The table is created. Table work discount created. Oh, work. This is in the work. Okay. In the work. So we need to go to the work. Okay, work lib name. Discount is here. Dataset has 0 observation. Yes, because we still only creating a table, yeah, not the data yet. So now Professor Singh want us to input the data into the where did I put it? This one. Oh. Okay. I close it kah? So he want us to put the data into the discount table. So the method is insert into the discount. There is a product ID, start date, end date, and the discount. So it is insert into discount, set product ID, start date, end date. Set product ID, start date, end date. So this is the way how to add data with a set clause. So how to do that in SAS? Let's go into the SAS code and then we conduct proc SQL, insert into discount. So the data is empty now. So we need to proc SQL, insert into discount, the set data set, and then run it. Let's see, log here. Error, you cannot reopen work. Discount data is for update after is member level control because work discount data is used by this. Oh, still open. Okay, because it is still open, we cannot use it. Okay, close it. Running again. Let's wait a second. Okay, this one. Run. All right. 2 rows were inserted into work discount. Let's open it. There. So the data is filled in with the 2 data. Yeah, 2 rows using the SAS code. Iqbal, success?
I have to restart
Okay,
the
it's
task,
hang.
Pak. Yes.
Ya Pak, suka hang
Okay,
Pak.
this SAS is a bit heavy ya. Wiryawan, sukses?
Belum Pak, masih muter-muter.
Okay, no worries. You can do it later. Alright, meanwhile, I think that's all the topic that Professor Singh want us to discuss until adding the data with a set clause. So I will check whether I can get the assignment, and then later I will recreate the assignment for you to have an exercise next week before the assignment. Alright, Pak Roni, coming back to you, Pak.